Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the door latch in your washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open the washer door and use a number 2 square bit or a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the door trim locking plate. Remove the plate and rotate the trim counterclockwise to detach it from the front panel. You can now remove the door latch mounting screws. Slide the latch to the right and remove it from the panel. Disconnect the wire connector. Install the new door latch by first connecting the wire connector. Now align the latch in the panel. Slide it into place and thread the mounting screws to secure. Reposition the door trim and rotate it clockwise to lock it into place. Replace the locking plate and secure it with the screw. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your washer should be ready for use.